Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Shopify order cannot be shipped to your location problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very minor issue that can be caused by various issues, right? And one of them can be you not adding the correct information of your address. And the other thing, the shop you're shipping from or shopping from does not ships internationally or does not ships to your location or region or the country. Now the fix for is it the only then you're going to your delivery location and adding the correct location, or adding the available location for the shop to be shipping. Or you can go to the shop and check out the range of delivery, or you can also try to chat with the shopkeeper itself, the shopper, like the seller itself, to ask that can it be delivered over there or not, otherwise if you are willing to do any changes over there. So unfortunately it is not something that have a legitimate solution, so it can work out for all of your shops. It just depends on what address, if your address is correct or not. Once you have corrected, then it depends on the shop as well, if they ship over there or not. So thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helped, and I would love to see you guys in our next video.